Hey there, foodies. Today, we're diving into a scrumptious recipe that's perfect for sharing with loved ones. Chicken vegetable croquettes. These croquettes are crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, and packed with flavors that will make your taste buds dance. First, we'll start by mixing a combination of chopped green onions and celery in the chicken meat. This not only adds a burst of freshness, but also provides additional texture to the croquettes. Next, we'll blend in sun-diced carrots, peas, and corn for an extra veggie boost. The crunch from these vegetables adds another layer of texture to our croquettes. Now for the fun part. Shaping them, we'll take small portions of this tasty mixture and roll them into little logs. This process is not only therapeutic but also helps ensure each croquette is packed with flavor. Once they're shaped, we'll dip them in an egg wash and roll them in breadcrumbs for that irresistible crunch. Next up is the cooking process. We'll deep fry these beauties until they turn golden brown and crispy. And voila, your very own homemade chicken vegetable croquettes are ready to be devoured. Remember to always use clean hands when handling food and stay safe in the kitchen by following proper food safety guidelines. Thanks for joining me today on this culinary adventure. And if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes coming your way. Happy cooking, everyone!